I'm Bill Wilkie, Technical Director for the Institute, and I'd like to welcome you all to this autumn seminar here at Hayling Island. This is the second event we've held here at Hayling Island at the new Townhouse Hotel, and both have been admirably supported by Steve Driver and his company, Spirit Circuits. And for that, we owe Steve a vote of thanks. And it's much appreciated, and I know his team made a special effort to get such a good turnout tonight. There was well over 90 registrations, which is some sort of record. Now, if you haven't been to one of these events before, the Institute were founded in 1974 to provide a forum for individuals in the PCB and related industries. Now, fast forward to 2011, we're providing 4 of these evening seminars a year up and down the country. We provide an annual symposium every year, which this year was held at Coventry University in the Techno Centre, great venue. And next year it's going to be held at the Imperial War Museum at Duxford, together with a tour of the museum. We also hold a one-week foundation course every year at Loughborough University. Now, this course has been running since 1980 and in much the same format. And this year it's attracted 20 delegates, which is a modern-day record. We also have an online journal, an online quarterly journal, and the editor, Bruce, is always looking for papers. If you have any papers, please speak to Bruce. He'd be very pleased to hear from you. We have our own website, ICT.org, and it is crammed with past technical papers, members' details. It is a well-developed website. It's well worth a look, and I would encourage you to look to it. The ICT are also coordinators of an FP7 project called ASPIS, A-S-P-I-S, which is Greek for shield, a little bit of culture there. And it's looking at alternatives to electroless nickel gold, including the use of ionic liquids, which is real sort of new technology for us. They are mixtures of organic salts, which are liquid at room temperatures. It also has a website, aspis-pcb.org, and I would encourage you to look at that, especially if you're interested in plating. Now, we have about 240 members, and a couple of months ago in July, I found myself in the local post office in Kelso sending off a couple of membership certificates, one to Happy Holden, who's the CTO of Foxconn, which is one of the largest electronic companies in the world. And it was to his home address in Colorado, USA. And the other one was to Mr. Valery Dychenko, who works for Absolute Electronics in St. Petersburg, Russia. So although most of what we do is in the UK and to a certain extent in continental Europe, we are linked right across the globe by our members. And that is a very good moment to say something about our members, because it's very rare that we actually get the opportunity to present a certificate in person. Most of them go in the post. So I actually have one here for Stacey Driver, if I could present it to her now with a little bit of a photo call. The first presentation actually has 2 speakers, both members of the ICT, Martin Randall and Jason Barnett, who are both aficionados of lean.